Welcome to Survivalist Camping 101, where we will give you the basics you need to know for your next outdoor adventure. As a survivalist camper, you must always be prepared and equipped with the necessary tools to stay safe and comfortable in the wild. The first thing you need to consider is the location and the conditions. Research the area and check the weather forecast. Bring appropriate clothing and gear, such as waterproof jackets, insulated tents, and sleeping bags rated for the temperature in the area. Water and food are essential for your survival. Bring enough food and water for the duration of your trip and pack extra in case of emergency. Learn how to filter and purify water from natural sources, such as rivers or streams. Bring cooking equipment and utensils to prepare your meals. Fire and shelter are crucial for your survival. Learn how to start a fire with different methods, such as matches, lighters, or flint. Build a shelter that can protect you from the elements, such as rain or wind. Bring tools, such as axes or knives, to help you build your shelter. Accidents can happen, so it's important to bring a first aid kit and know how to use it. Learn basic first aid techniques, such as bandaging, splinting, or CPR. Bring medication or personal items, such as inhalers or EpiPens, if you have a medical condition. That's it for Survivalist Camping 101. The basics you need to know. Remember to always prepare, plan, and stay safe when camping in the wild. Happy camping!